Assalamu alaikum student. This is science lecture of 6th class. We were reading in previous lecture the topic handling data. Data is basically the scientific information that we get from experiments. And in this topic we have read that we use four ways to organize our data that we get from our experiments, that we get from our observations. These four ways are: first one is through tables, in which information are shown through tables. Second way is bar charts. It is the second way which is used to show our data in the form of pictures on a bar chart. Third way is line graphs. And in this way we put the data in the graph and take out our results. Fourth way is pie charts, and this is the way in which data is shown in the proportions form. The proportions of numerical data is shown in the form of slices and in this whole circle, and this whole circle is called pie charts or round chart. And today we are going to start the new topic, which is on page number 11. The topic name is doing a scientific investigation. Investigation is basically research and examinations that we do in science. And in this topic we do an investigation which is to find out if sugar dissolves more quickly in hot water than in cold water. For this, we have to know that how we do investigations and how many parts of an investigation. A scientific investigation has three main parts. And what are these main parts of an investigation? These main parts are preparation, second one is carrying out the investigation, and third one is reviewing and reporting on the investigation. These are the three main parts of an investigation. Let's we start the first step, which is preparation. Preparation. This involves writing down what you expect to happen. This is called the hypothesis. What is hypothesis? Hypothesis is the main idea that comes in our mind. When we do any experiment, any investigation, some ideas come in our mind without some conclusion from this experiment before doing experiment. And these ideas, these conclusions that we do before doing experiment is called hypothesis. The aim of your investigation is to test your hypothesis. And in investigation, first we make hypothesis and then we test our hypothesis. We test our hypothesis, is it true or false? For example, you could write sugar dissolves more quickly in hot water than in cold water. In this investigation, we make a hypothesis, and that is the sugar dissolves more quickly in hot water than in cold water. This is our hypothesis which we have made before starting the investigation, and in this investigation we test our hypothesis. Being aware of variables. Variables are things that change and can usually be measured or observed. Variables. What is variables? Variables are things that are used in this experiment in the investigation. These variables can change and measured. You should only change one variable at a time and see how it affects other variables. Students, it is necessary to take good investigation that we should only change one variable at a one time and see how it affects other variables. By changing one variable, we can check the effects of this changing on other variables. If you change more than one variables at the same time, it will not be a fair test. स्टूडेंट्स, अगर हम एक ही टाइम में ज़्यादा वेरिएबल्स को चेंज करेंगे तो ये फ़ायदेमंद नहीं होगा। इसमें बहुत से एरर्स आ जाएंगे जिस वजह से हमारी इन्वेस्टिगेशंस अच्छे से नहीं हो पाएगी। द वेरिएबल्स इन दिस इन्वेस्टिगेशन आर द अमाउंट ऑफ शुगर, the amount of water, the temperature of the water, and fourth one is whether to stir the sugar in the water or not. These are the four variables that we use in this investigation. First is we should use for the same amount of sugar, and second, use the same amount of water, and third one, stir at the same speed each time, and fourth one is keep the temperature same. स्टूडेंट, फर्स्ट हम शुगर अमाउंट चेंज करेंगे और देखेंगे कि इसका अफेक्ट क्या होता है रिजल्ट्स पे। सेकंड, हम वाटर अमाउंट चेंज करके देखें, इसके इफ़ेक्ट्स देखेंगे। टेम्परेचर चेंज करके इसके इफ़ेक्ट्स देखेंगे और स्टीरिंग चेंज करके इसके इफ़ेक्ट्स देखेंगे। स्टूडेंट्स, अगर हमने फोर्थ वेरिएबल्स इकट्ठी चेंज कर दी, मींस हमने शुगर अमाउंट भी चेंज कर दी, वाटर अमाउंट, टेम्परेचर एंड स्टीरिंग स्पीड, इन चारों को चेंज कर दिया, तो जो हमारा रिज़ल्ट है वो बहुत अफेक्ट होगा, वो इतना फेयर टेस्ट हमें नहीं मिलेगा। So we should change one variable in one time. Second step is carrying out the investigation. This involves using the equipment you have chosen to measure things like distance, time, weight, area, volume, and temperature accurately. Students, in this step, we will measure the volume of sugar, the amount of sugar, the volume of water. We will note the temperature of the water and stirring speed. For this measurement, we will use right equipment so that our result will be good. During this, we will measure our variables and use right equipment. Choosing the amount appropriate way of reading your results. Writing your results in a table is probably the best way to record them in this investigation. Students, we do investigation and carrying out our investigation, we get some results. We will put our results in table, and this is our results when we do our investigation. This result shows that when temperature of water is 20 centigrade, the dissolving speed of sugar is 80 seconds. When temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, the dissolving speed of sugar is 52. At 40 centigrade, speed is 36 seconds. At 50 centigrade, speed is 26 seconds. And at 60 centigrade, the speed is 20 seconds. Student, this table shows that by increasing the temperature of water, the dissolving speed of sugar also increases. Yes, student, this is our today's topic, doing a scientific investigation, and in this we learn that how many steps of investigation. We have read that there are 3 steps of investigation. One is preparation, and in preparation we learn hypothesis. Hypothesis is the idea that come in our mind before investigation. and what we will expect from experiment. This is called hypothesis. More, we learn variables, and variables are the things that we used in investigation and that can be changed and measured. Next, we learn carrying out the investigation, and in this, we learn that for carrying out investigation, to measure the variables, we should use right equipment, and the results that we get from our investigation must be written in tables, and we we have put our results in the form of table, and this table shows that by increasing the temperature, the dissolving speed also increased. I hope you will understand this. Thank you.